Now, material source. Material sources. Man uses a variety of things in his day-to-day life. They are known as artifacts. Artifacts used by humans in the past provide us valuable information about life in the ancient times. We can decide the period of ancient artifacts like earthen pots by studying the shape, color, and design on ancient pot sheet. The ornaments and other artifacts throw light on social interaction. We get information about the diet of the people from the remains of food grains, seeds, and bones of animals found in excavation. Also, we find the remains of houses and buildings built in different historical periods. We also find ancient coins and seals. All this gives us information about human activities in the past. All such artifacts, articles, monuments, or their ruins are called the material sources of history. Now, in our daily life, every day we use some variety of things. We use whatever you have learned or got any knowledge. We got it from the life of the ancient time. Now, artifact means an object made by a human being, typically one of the cultural or historical interest from ancient earthen pots. If we see different kind of color, shape and design they use in ancient time. Now, potsherd means a broken piece of ceramic material, especially one found in an archaeological site. Now, there are various ornaments they use like bangles, chokers, long pendant necklace, rings, etc. From this we can understand what material they used to make ornament in those times. Now, their diet of the people was that whatever they used to get from underground like bones of animals, any food grains, shells, nuts, etc. That was their diet. So, what kind of a structure, building and houses they used to build in ancient times? Now, coins used was to different as compared to today. So, all this includes in the material sources of history.